This tutorial is to show you about relief and height on a map. Let's start with relief. What does relief mean? Relief is known as the shape of the land, and most land can be categorised as being flat or undulating. Relief can also be steep, and relief can be slowly rising, and we call this a shallow slope. Let's look at height. Height can be shown in a number of ways. The first way is with a spot height, which looks like this, a dot and a number. And this particular spot height is 51 metres above sea level. The next way is a triangle with a blue dot in the middle and a number next to it. This triangulation pillar is 72 metres above sea level. And the third way to show height is by means of a contour line. And a contour line is usually coloured brown, say 10 metres, and they are thicker, or wider should I say, every 50 metres, so 50, 100, 150, the line will be wider to make it easier to read. At how contour lines can help us interpret what the shape of the land is like. Here are some contour lines which were drawn in black, but they really should be in brown. And where we can see that the contour lines here, 90, 80, 70, 60 and 50 are wide apart, the shape of the land would be shallow. And actually, if I draw the shape of the land above here, it would be a shallow rise to the top of the hill. Over on this side of the map, on the left hand side, where the contour lines are close together, this here indicates that the land is steep. So the land would decrease like that, steep and shallow. And finally, that's a river valley. River valleys usually have a river in them, and they will have contour lines coming out. Here's line 10, 20, 30 and 40, and I always say that where you can see that the contour lines are making a V shape, this V shape is on its side, but I can turn it like this. The V shape is quite obvious. There we go. There's a big V. It indicates a valley, so V for valley.